Good morning, everyone. Today we are doing part 3, and that's lesson 7 problem set. So again, you should have already watched the Zern video or the interactive video on lesson 7. This is very important to read the directions. My paper again is going to look a little bit different than yours because I cut and paste to make a Google document for you. So this says, your directions here says, whisper the fraction of the shape that is shaded. Then match the shape to the amount that is not shaded. So it's very important you read the directions or you're going to not understand how to do this. Write the letter beside the matching shape, okay? So the shape that is not, or that is shaded is 1/2. What is not shaded? 1/2. So this number 1 is going to match E. So I'm going to put my letter E right here. Number 2, whisper the fraction of the shape that's shaded, 1/4. How much is not shaded? 1, 2, 3. 3/4. So that's going to be letter H here. How much is shaded in number 3? That's 1 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 1/9. So how much is not shaded? That would be 8/9. How much is shaded here? 1 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1/6 is shaded. So how much is not shaded? That's 5/6. So that's going to be F. Number 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1/5 is shaded. So how much is not shaded? That's 4/5. So that's going to be C. Number 6, how much is shaded? 1/3. How much is not shaded? 2/3. So that's going to be letter A. Number 7, how much is shaded? That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1/7. So how much is not shaded? 6/7. And number 8, how much is shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1/8. So how much is not shaded? Is 7/8. So that's G. Okay? So your answer should have been E, H, D, F, C, A, B, and G. Okay? So that was the first part of our problem set. The second part is I typed for you. So again, yours is going to look a little different than mine. See if I can zoom in a little bit so you can see it a little better here. Okay? It says, how many 8s are in one whole? And I wrote over here and I typed it on your Google Doc. I said, remember, 2/2 is equal to 1 whole. Because if I have 1/2 and 1/2, that together is 2/2. When the numerator and the denominator are the same, that equals 1 whole. So 2/2 is equal to 1 whole. I also know 3/3 is equal to 1 whole because my numerator and denominator are the same. If I've got 18/18, guess what? That's equal to 1 whole. So again, when your numerator and denominator is the same, it's always going to equal 1 whole. And that's your area model, again, so you can show it. If I want to do 3/3, I can certainly draw that. 1/3, 1/3, and 1/3. So all of that together is 3/3, okay? So A here says, how many 8s are in one whole? Okay, how many 8s are in one whole? Well, that's going to be 8 because 8/8 is equal to 1 whole. I can always write that too. 8/8 is equal to 1 whole. How many 9s are in one whole? 9, because 9/9 is equal to 1 whole. How many 12ths are in one whole? 12, because 12/12 is equal to 1 whole. Okay? You didn't have to do this one, so I'm going to skip one down here to number 11 here. I'm going to zoom in a little bit here. So this says, Susie, I changed that name. Susie read 1/6 of her book. What fraction of the book has she not read? So I would definitely circle this because this is my key words, and definitely underline your question here. And let me know that she read 1-6, okay? 1-6. So I'm gonna break this up into 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What fraction of the, oh, and I'm going to definitely put my unit fractions in here. These are all 1/6. I'm going to shade in how much Susie read because I know she read 1/6. So this is all that she has not read. How much has she not read? 1/6, 2/6, 3/6, 4/6, 5/6. What fraction of the book has she not read? Susie has not read 5/6 of the book. Okay, guys. Whoops. Sorry, you can't see that. Okay. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Tomorrow you have a school net. Take your time and work out each problem. Talk to you later.